Each box contains 20 saliva test kits. It includes test device, biohazard bag, collection funnel, dropper, collection tube, and a buffer solution. The person in charge is to distribute one full set of saliva test kits to everyone. Please ensure social distancing is adhered and mask on at all times. Open and take out the test device. Tear open the buffer solution. Arrange the other accessories on the table. Take up the collection tube and connect the collection funnel to the collection tube. Cough deeply 3 to 5 times to release saliva and mucus from deep throat to mouth. Spit out to the collection funnel and put your mask back on. Remove the collection funnel and dispose into the biohazard bag. If the saliva exceeds the scale line, use the dropper to remove the excess volume and dispose the dropper into the biohazard bag. Squeeze in the entire buffer solution. Close the cap of the collection tube and squeeze for 10 seconds. Squeeze out 2 drops of extracted specimen on the test device. Read the results after 15 minutes. Do not interpret the results after 20 minutes. Refer the image to interpret the results. Dispose all test kit components into the biohazard bag, close it tightly, and throw it away.